Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video in our channel. Uh, Today I talk about haqqex. Haqqex is a new Islamic crypto exchanger where we can trade and buy, sell, and earn money crypto in this website. So we need to at first we need to registration in this website, so we can click on registration button, and we need to fill in the form. Then we tick mark on the agree and continue, and click on the continue. Is not available for authorization. Got it complete, and then we can need to turn off VPN. Next, try again, then click on continue and check on the your email box, and continue confirm registration. Click on the confirm registration, and then now we can start trading. So you now you need to complete your profile and identification verify, and you can complete this uh, two-factor authentication and for the trade and crypto deposit limited crypto withdrawal. Verify now, click on verify now, and you can add the Google Authenticator. Here is a Google Authenticator, and here you can add this code on the website, and you need to try a standard verification for more trading and more amount withdrawal limit, and I can show the trade option. um, Here you can get an amazing uh, tools uh, your for your trading and professionally. Then you can earn here portfolio overview. You can see your deposit and others transaction, spot, wallet asset, and transaction history. And then you can learn here, and you can mm, you can check your leaderboard for great airdrop. And here is important and option Sharia is a Islamic important uh, yeah halal mode. You can transfer halal mode for uh, this website because you need to profit and unprofited, and then you can um, check in the halal in the Islamic about Islamic video and your profile ID and profile you can you need যখন you need to portfolio go to portfolio you can overview for deposit click on the deposit and need to the Google two-factor authentication so you ধন্যবাদ for thank you for watching the video next video for subscribe and like our video thank you